Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless firmware not updating in 2026. So first of all, in order to fix it, you need to plug the USB wireless dongle into your PC. Then simply connect your headset to the PC using a USB-C cable. Both the connections are required for the firmware updates to work properly. Now you need to make sure that you are plugging into the direct USB port on your PC and not the USB hub or extension. This ensures the stable data transfer during the update. Now, after doing this, you just have to close your Nginity application completely. Then you can open it from your Microsoft Store, or you can also run it as an administrator. This particular step is going to help prevent the permission issues during the firmware updates. Now you just have to right click on the start icon, then click on the option of device manager. Over here, just right click on this arrow right next to sound, video and controllers. Among the given options, you just have to right click on your headset or dongle, then click on the option of uninstall device. After doing so, unplug and reconnect both the devices. Windows will then reinstall the fresh drivers automatically. Now, even after doing this, the issue still continues. You can also uninstall Nginity and then you can reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. This also removes any of the corrupted files that are causing the updating failures. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.